How to get a refund on Cash App. Welcome back to this quick tutorial video. If you send a payment to a person which is not meant to be sent or the amount is not correct, there is a way that they can refund the amount back to your Cash App. So these are the steps that are to be done from the receiver's end and not your end. So make sure you show this video to the other person that you send this payment. From inside of the Cash App, what you need to do is tap on the activity section on the bottom right. From here, you're going to see all of the transactions that have been made through your account. They're going to also see, or you're going to also see the amount that has been received from any other accounts. You just need to tap on this transaction. Now, once you tap on this option, you're going to see the transaction amount. Tap on the three dotted line on the top right of the screen. Once you do, you'll see the option called Refund. So it's also going to show you the amount, the destination, the identifier, and from where the payment has been received. Just tap on the refund option right here and you can refund the entire payment back to the sender. So this is the only process that can be done. Other than this, the other way you can maybe get a refund is contact the customer support of Cash App and tell them your situation of what exactly happened. Other than this, you need the sender to follow through on these steps. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.